Hey, this is Chinmai Swamy and I have a special video made just for you. Today in this video, we'll be talking about how you can plan your week so that you get the most out of it. What is the one thing you need to do every week? A small change which will set the rhythm for the week, which will make it the most amazing week ever. You can make this every week. That's the strategy you're going to learn. Hey, well, the one change which I made in my life when I was planning the week, was just one thing. I changed the day on when I planned the week. Before, I used to plan on weekends, on Sunday, or I used to plan on Monday for the whole week, like what I would do, what goals I would set, because I would usually set the goals for the month, and then I would review them, and then I would start planning them on Saturday night or Sunday night. And that's how I always went. It always felt that I was underproducing. I could do more, but then the day I chose was not right. That's when I realized that the best time to plan your week is on a Thursday. Why? Thursday is two reasons. Let's take a look at it. Thursday is just before Friday, okay? And what happens on Friday? Well, I know that I am more interested in what I'm going to do on the weekend, because I might have, I do weekend workshops. I'll be more focused on the weekend workshops, or I'll be spending time with my family. So I want to be more focused on how I build relationship with my clients or with my family. So I'm focused on that. So I'm sure you can connect that Fridays are more with colleagues, with friends and family, your business. When you might have workshops or you might have plans to do on weekends. Like, weekends are just there. So the Friday, it drains away your focus on the weekend. So that's why I prefer to plan my week on a Thursday. Let's take a look. How about planning on a Sunday night or Monday? Well, what happens is on Sunday, it's too late, and it's already you're drained, or you're already finished your activity on weekend. You're not at your best. Planning on a night is not good. You should review your day on at the end of the day, not plan it, because you're low. Your mind is fully tired. It's filled with conclusions and information, and it's filled with all the things you've observed for the day, and it doesn't give you the creativity. So the only left is Monday morning. And Monday morning, when you plan, it's too late, because Monday, when you wake up, you should be working. Tuesday, when you wake up, you should be working. Wednesday, working. So when you're taking action, there's no time to plan. So that's why the best time to plan is on a Thursday morning. That's what I do. Thursday, I plan, and I plan it on lunchtime, not in the morning, because morning, I leave it for the most important activity of the day, because I always get work done in the morning. So during the lunchtime, just before my lunch, I sit down and I plan the week on a Thursday lunch. That's how I realize that it's most productive. I don't plan anything during the daytime. I don't plan anything during the night. During the night, I only review and I reflect and I record the day, so that I know what went wrong, what went right, how I can improve. That's all I do. I don't plan. When I wake up in the morning, I just take action. So planning, I leave it in the afternoon. That's what I do. So I hope this video enjoyed. If you like this, then I want you to join a powerful series which I'm doing. A series every mastermind. It's free. You can attend. It's at 4 p.m. every day at British summertime, or 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 9:30 in India at night. So what it does is, this Art of Winning live mastermind is focused on how to win the game of life and in business by planning. So everything you need to do about planning, your goals, your intentions, what procedures you need to do, how do you define your habits, everything is designed in this Art of Winning Life. It's powerful, and this is the first of the series, and it'll be fun. You will have so much fun on these masterminds. I say fun is because learning should be fun. Getting results should be fun. Enjoying, because if it's homework, if it's not fun, you won't come back again. So I make sure all these masterminds are fun. So at Calm, it's again plenty of strategies which I share like this, and it's a mastermind. You get to do the work, you get the results, and that's why you will come back for more again and again. So all my previous clients and even people who have known me for years, they just attend mastermind after mastermind because they get results. Every mastermind is unique. Like this mastermind, Art of Winning, is focused on planning. What you need to do, everything about planning to win in game of business and life. So that's why I urge you to join. All you have to do is click on the link below and then join, or you just go to chinmai360.com and you'll get it. Okay, or go to artofwinninglive.com. All of these goes to the same mastermind and you will enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.